If you want the truth, I have one last demand.
Dante'ye göre insan ruhu 7 büyük günahın yükünü taşıyarak arınmaya yürür. Günah ruha kazınmış bir yara gibidir.
My client is willing to turn over every piece of evidence he has, but it'll happen at a time and place he chooses.
Bazen bütün günahlar bir adamın ruhunda doğabilir.
Those in power are compromised by crime. They become very easy to control. Shut up.
I was told to leave this package here for Mr. Epstein.
You want to know what's inside the box, detective?